So we have our tent put together. We don't have everything in it yet, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. This is our second time setting it up, so it might not be perfect, but this is the Coleman Weathermaster 6-person tent with screened-in porch. So this on the top is actually a fly that we put on after the tent is put up. I forgot to show you guys what it looked like without the fly. It's a whole bunch of open screened space. I'll insert a picture of it here so you can see. There's a slight possibility of rain, so we wanted to go ahead and put the fly on just in case. So we're gonna add this piece of tarp that comes with the tent as our doormat. It might be what it's for, or it might be for something else, but that's what we're using it for. It does come with 2 loopholes to stake it down, so pretty sure it might be for a doormat. So one really cool thing about this tent is that there's a door that you can pull open. So there's little fiberglass poles that you put through it to make it be able to swing open and close instead of just zipping and unzipping. So this is the screened-in porch area. It's actually really big, so you can enter from this side as well. So the tent does not come with a floor, so we put our own tarp down here. And let's go around to the other side. And here's the back side. So Biggs has decided to tie the fly to the trees. So it comes with these ropes that you can use to tie it down if you want to, or you can take the ropes off if you're not that worried about it. As you can see, there's a lot of screen windows throughout this whole tent. So if it was really nice weather, you could leave the whole thing wide open. So let me show you what it looks like inside, because it's pretty big. So as you can see, pretty big. You could fit 6 people in here, as the package says, but I think this is a good amount of space for 2 people, honestly. I can stand up in here with plenty of room above my head. There's like another foot to go above my head, so that's nice. Lots of windows that can zip up, obviously, and window in the back. You can zip up. A little pocket here. And here's your entry to the screen porch area. And it does actually come with a piece of fabric that you can connect to here to make this 2 rooms if you wanted to split people up more privately. So here's what our cots look like. These are the Woods adjustable lounger cots. And here's our memory foam to go on top. The rollout memory foam that we got is almost the perfect fit. It's exactly the same width and almost the same height as well. It makes the cot much more comfortable, obviously. After the memory foam, we put a fitted sheet just to snug everything in and protect everything. And then sleeping bags for on top. I did get a question on the previous video of what were the sleeping bags for if we got the cots. And the sleeping bag is just for like the blanket part. So to have the blanket on the top and the bottom for more comfort and warmth. I'm a pretty hot sleeper and I don't have a fan, so I'll probably be unzipping mine so I can put limbs out of the blanket, but we'll see. I haven't slept in a tent since I was a child, so I really don't know. So So here's Big's sleeping bag and mine. So the sleeping bag is the cover and the cot is the bed, if that makes more sense. We could have just got regular blankets, but it's nice to have something to get in, especially for when it gets colder. And this is our screen room area setup with chairs, table, and lantern. I had forgot to show you guys what the tent looks like without the fly when we were setting it up. So now that we're taking it down, just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, it's a big open screen at the top. Lots of windows, really airy. So if you know the weather is clear, you can just have a big open sky. It's really nice. These curtains can either tie back or open and zip for more privacy. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the Coleman Weathermaster 6-person tent with screen room. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to ask in the comments. We feel like we picked the best tent for us. We really don't have any complaints about this tent. One thing we would do differently next time is put a tarp underneath it before we put the tent up because the bottom did get a little bit dirty. Thank you so much for watching.